We're gonna do this. But we're good. This is from Simply. These two right here is from. I thought he took the Sprite, bitch. Thank you so much, Venus. Look at how thick already. It's so thick. Having a thick paste. I do have a pinesol. I have a pinesol for the fragrance too, like an OG pinesol. She's 10. If we want to add her, that's totally fine. It's just one. I have the mandarin for 5, and then the other one. Use a sleeve. I forgot. Don't start. Oh, the window's closed. Come on, Nimbus. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Come on, then, you little shit. Come on. There we go. Go, you little shit. Go. I call him little shit because yesterday we fought. Look at the scratch, y'all. We get into it like baddies. Oh, I just opened the window. I think he wanted the window.
Oh.
I thought you were sleeping.
Laying down.
Are you dreaming of me or what? Ah. What'd you say?
Always.
Always. Ah. As he should. As he should, right, guys? As he should. Where the fuck are my glasses? Ah. Gotcha. Okay, one more color. Whatever one I see first, I'm gonna do. Go. Blue? Blue. Oh, wow. Okay, let's do it. I thought y'all were gonna say pink. Can I put pink? Oh. Someone actually did that. I did pink, yeah. Someone sent a restriction. Who did you guys mute? Shit, they went quickness with the bloken. Abuse. Who said that? Y'all muted her because of that? Oh, it smells so good. I appreciate you guys so much. Jingle bells, jingle bells. My grandma smells. Anyone who talks shit is never gonna get laid. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Ooh, consistent. Sending 10 for like, aw, Pinky. I appreciate you, amiga. She's like, sorry. Okay, let's do all the orange ones. Pinesol! Isn't it, Cara? Thank you. This was the green apple. If y'all should go and try her because she smells so good. A great liquid to break in your sponges because obviously it's fabric softener. I love my new Chica sponges. There we go. Ooh. Where is she? There it is. Charisma. Okay, I'm gonna what? We did orange and it was green, right guys? Someone already. What is this giving? This giving. I peeled it. Probably won't. We'll see. I remember last time I had Apple Jacks. St. Patrick. She is a March baby. Let me put these sponges right here, guys, so we can catch the powder. Look at the colors. Hi, Vidito. How cute. Hi, Nick. Is Love? Oh, Lovey's here. Where's she at though? Hi, how are you? Let me get at that nip. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna move my phone. Hold up, because she's right here. My babe, I was thinking. The jalapeno Cheetos! Did you guys hear they're gonna stop making hot Cheetos red? How do you guys feel about that shit? Isn't that nasty? And the Doritos too? Look at this powder. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Kylie. Oh, I heard they're just gonna... They're dyed? I don't know, what do you guys like more though? Takis or hot Cheetos? I know I have some Latinas up in this bitch. What's your guys' favorite hot Cheeto mix with Valentina, limon, chamoy? Takis. Hot Cheetos. Ah, I see that, Indy. Different personalities, whether you like the hot Cheetos or the, what's it called? Some peanuts. The Japonés, right? Just regular hot Cheetos. Damn, my ice cream man's passing by too. I told my ice cream man that he needs to start getting cash. I mean, Apple Pay. Pisces Clean, what are you? Hot Cheetos? You give me hot Cheetos. I know that's right. Let me see if I can find any crumbles. I want to look for real. Go to a Mexican market and they're always outside. Or like if the school gets out right now at this time, usually they hang out by the schools. I mean, they do in my neighborhood. I don't know if it's like that for you guys' neighborhood. Hot Cheetos with cheese. Girls, I'm lactose. But every time I go to 7-Eleven, you see like the little cholitas getting that shit. It's funny.